back in the booth. I already know it. Got another pick. Show y'all what I'm working on today. Damn. Alright. Got him in here. Wrapped up. Ready to rock and roll. Wrapped up. Wrapped up. Let's go. Show y'all what's going on, man. We're just gonna do a little simple black on this baby. And then nothing special. You know what I'm saying? Nothing special, just a little simple black. But I'm gonna funk it and I'm gonna make it a little real good. Oh, they pop. But, yup, let's get to it, y'all.
One eternity later.
Right, y'all. There we go. That's where we at. Base coat only. You feel me? Base coat only now. Don't get excited yet. I'm telling you, check me out though. Watch. Stop! Base coat only. Alright? So this is what we're doing. This is not a single stage base coat on top of that, y'all. This is not a single stage base coat, y'all. This is a 2-stage base club. And this thing is shiny. That's crazy. But man, this thing look good, y'all. Base coat, baby. Base coat. Why I ride my base coat shiny like this, boy? Come on. I ain't put no clear on it. I ride my base coat like this. Come on. Let me show y'all. See that? When your base coat look like this, you already know, bro. Your clear finna be gone. You know what I'm saying? Talking about flat paint. You want flat paint? This is what it takes, bro. Your base coat gotta look like this, bro. You know what I'm saying? Base coat got to look like this. Don't like this, it's gonna be ugly, bro. I'm telling you, 100%. Don't like this, it's gonna be ugly. Yeah, I'm telling you. But anyhow, I just wanted to cut y'all back on, man. Show y'all where we at. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all where we at. This is only base coat now. I'm telling you, this is only the base coat. Only base. Ain't no clear on this car yet. None. I'm telling you, I'm not playing with y'all. When you see the clear, you know, but I'm telling you. You know, it's shiny. It's shiny, bro. That's crazy. Anyhow, boy, finna start spraying that clear. Time to jump in the mix room. I'll put y'all back on a little bit. Feel me? Alright, alright. This baby is wrapped up. You feel me? Wrapped up. You feel me? Alright. What you talking about? Let's go. The first one of the year, y'all. First one of the year. Color chain, dough jam, you already know the deal. Everything. You feel me? Do you understand what is forming out of my mouth? Let's go. Feel me? Man, I'm excited to be back, man. Excited to be back, be spraying, bro. Boy, I tell you what, I'm glad to be back, man. I'm back in it. Y'all. Back in it, man. I'm back in it, man. High tech all ready for the win, you already know. Man. That's it. She good.
Gotta keep it up forever, ever. I'ma make it last forever, ever. Gotta make it last forever, ever. Climbing up to the tippy. You don't believe me, just call me Ripley. It's a cold world and I'm feeling nippy. I seen it all, so don't try to tip me. Lost so many folks, I don't know if my heart is half full or is it half empty. Laughing at these haters super hard, cause they be looking goofy when they try to tempt me. Blowing up like C4.
In the rain boots. I've been painting the rain boots. Why? Painting the rain boots. Yeah, painting the rain boots. Alright.
The storm, look at the weather. Never worried, I'm just living my life. Lit it when I'm shining my light. Told the family we gon' make it alright.
Alright, y'all. So, it's the hood again. I know I had already sprayed it one time. I only put like 2 coats on it. But I knew I wanted to wet sand in my eye and throw another coat on them. Just to really sew him in. You feel? God, so big. Look at that baby there.